Today we will talk about the smart blood sugar, as health of the person. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before buying smart blood sugar. We also have important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you do not make mistakes when using or making the purchase of smart blood sugar. The first thing you need to know about smart blood sugar is, be careful with the site you are going to buy smart blood sugar because smart blood sugar is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is smart blood sugar and does it really work? And the answer is yes, smart blood sugar works. After many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that actually help you. See John's experience. John came across the diabetes reversal recipe. He learned that he could still eat delicious foods that automatically turned on the switch for blood sugar again. He had nothing to lose. So he put everything into practice that very night. The next morning, John checked his blood sugar and was shocked. Blood sugar dropped 80 points. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with smart blood sugar, including on the official website contains testimonials from customers who have used smart blood sugar, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test smart blood sugar and you are protected by an extremely generous 100% money-back guarantee in 60 days if you don't like the product. So stay safe to use smart blood sugar, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for smart blood to work, you need to take the treatment seriously or else you will not see great results and you will actually get a little frustrated. Also important for you to know, smart blood sugar is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to have security on the site that you will buy smart blood sugar and to take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you and also hope that smart blood sugar really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Press like and thanks for watching this video. See you later.